I would say delicious. Hello, kids. Big Papa here, but you knew that. Listen, what we're going to do today is have a little fun with rack of lamb. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a teriyaki rack of lamb, but it's going to be a little different because I'm different. We're going to make a cheriyaki. And not just any cherries, these Tasmanian cherries. Real simple. Take some of this Bachan's Japanese teriyaki. Look, I haven't even opened it yet. You guys might think that I've lost my mind, but you've thought that before. So what we're going to do is we're cooking on the GMG Trek, okay, which is battery powered. It's everything. It's my new favorite cooker. I use it all the time. We're empty nesters. It's just perfect. We're going to cook the rack of lamb and the sauce at the same time. So I'm going to take some of this Bachan's and very carefully measure. Okay. Now we're going to take some of these cherries that have been chopped up and put it in the Bachan's. The trick of most outdoor cooks when it comes to this is when they're claiming a flavor or something, they use a jelly. So I'm using a French cherry jelly. 2 or 3 of those in there. You see how I've got this here. I'm going to whisk it, mix it up. Get that cherry mixed up well in with the Bachan's. And then I can taste it for to see if I got the balances right. But there's going to be a secret ingredient I've got to do. I have to do it. Because when you're cooking, there's the whole deal about sweet, savory, spicy, mild. And what you do is, if you did just sweet, you wouldn't be able to eat it. So there needs to be some acid. The acid is usually, when they talk about acid in cooking, or vinegars. But it's also citrus. And I'm being Californian and stuff and having access to fruit. This nice little lemon came off my backyard tree. And look at. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to see if I got the right amount of cherry first. Ooh. I think I need more cherry. I think I need a lot more cherry. So I probably put a total of 2.5 tablespoons in there. It's all mixed up, and I'm going to go the secret ingredient for you. Secret ingredient. A little acid to make it just better. Believe it or not, this little lemon, it's like even chocolates have salt in it. So, do a little check of this. Fabulous. It's going to go in the cooker. Okay. Into the cooker just like this. Perfect. Okay, Big Papa's cooking some rack of lamb for you right now. I've made the sauce for you. It's in the smoker. Going to take BPS money, because I just love money when I want savory and sweet. Let's fire the money here. Look at that. We get both sides. I like money because it's savory, salty, nice peppers, but it's got a little sweetness to it too. Just pat this down. Over. So we're going to cook this at about 275 until about 130. Then we're going to sauce it for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to rest it, and then we're going to eat, baby. These can be served as appetizers. You slice them up on a plate, walk around with a little napkin, or main course. This might be just enough for me today. So we're going to put them in the smoker. But first, I'm going to use my ThermoPen chef oil. Yes, I work with ThermoPen. No, I'm not paid. I buy this stuff. Occasionally they send me some stuff. But this is my don't leave home without it. That's the ThermoPen. This makes every cook better. So here we go. Woo-wee. Okay, kids. We're out. Now it's time for the sauce. Did I say rack of lamb? Did I say teriyaki? That was only part of it. We're making cheriyaki. Whoa! What is this? Yeah, baby. Teriyaki, baby. We just try one here. I would say delicious.